Right, there we are. It's the April the 30th, Richmond Park. Not a soul up here. There's a guy over there practicing golf. No deer, no dogs, no people. Absolutely brilliant. Let's see how this baby flies. Hopefully better than last time. A lot better than last time. Nice coordinated turn. Rudder and aileron. Might want to give it a bit of up. Bloody dogs can approach and I can hear them coming. Make sure I don't piss on my bag, which is I've done before now. Bring it down a bit. I'll bring it down a bit. So far, extremely happy with the way this Hawker Hurricane's flying. My old mate Martin, aka Flanker Tanker, told me when you fly, only use stabilisation when you take off, and when you land, when you're actually flying, pull it into AX3X, and you know what? Absolutely flying the dream. Really is. A little bit underpowered there. Was going to do a bit of a tip. But the proof of the pudding, it really does want to climb when you give it the beans. Really does want to climb, whether it's just part of the plane, I don't know. Right. Well, you know what? I'll coming a bit hot, I must admit. But I'll take that all day long, and the reason why the undercarriage stood up, I'll show you. I actually reversed the undercarriage. Instead of the wheels facing in, they're now facing out, so I've got a wider track on the undercarriage. I've got two bamboo skewers hot glued into the plastic, then into the actual wing itself. They are going to be painted grey or silver or even black, don't know yet. But I mean, that landing wasn't the softest landing, as you could see. But you know what? That come in an absolute dream, and I'll take that one all day long. Thanks for the tip on that, Martin, about having the old switching the safe off, as it were, once you take off, because coordinated turns using rudder and elevator, absolutely bang on what you could see. I was able to do nice flat turns, really slow turns if I wanted to, and I was able to do some decent banking, which I was quite pleased at. Thing is that this, though, you give it the beans, open up the taps, and it just climbs. As you could see, I mean, it just climbs. So whether that's inherent of the design or not quite sure. The CG on there is absolutely spot on, slightly nose heavy, as it should be. Oops, you can see that or not. It's slightly nose heavy on it. Well, get it on the angles. Slightly nose heavy on there, which is, there we go, it was absolutely bang on. The other thing as well, the tail gear, that come loose on the inaugural crash. There's a spigot that goes into a fixing on the rod that goes to the tail on the rudder. Couldn't get it back in there, so you know what, sod it, super glue, got it all done in a straight line. So in fact, I'll give it a quick try now to see if I can actually turn just with the rudder and not with the reel. There we go. Yeah, see. Oops. Yeah. So going to ground up is so bad. No, really happy with that. I'll take that flight all day long. Extremely pleased with that. Extremely pleased. Well done, Martin. The guru, as I shall now call him. The hurricane guru. And I shall apply the same logic, etc, when I do the Hobby King Corsair. Well done, my old mate. Top man.